Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back. So I'm looking still the same, still sporting the Fritzy Family shirt. I think I recorded 3 videos in one day. I know you guys probably know that because of the way I look. But yeah, what we're going to do today is talk about what I would do in regards to skincare if I have $500, keeping in mind that I want to also buy a nice purse. I know that sounds really funny, right? Where on earth did I get an idea like that? Well, from you guys. This person is asking me this question, and I'm going back and forth and asking her certain things, which I'll share with you in a second. But then I didn't feel like I should put all of this in a comment. So I said, write me at my email and I will tell you all of this. She never got back with me. I thought I would go ahead and bring it in a video. That way she can see it and it may help some of you. She has $500. She's 53 years old and she wants to get started with a skincare regimen. And she would like to have enough money left over to buy a nice handbag. I am not in any way educated enough to tell you what to do with your skin. Okay, this is just what I would do if I had $500. I was starting a skincare regimen and I wanted to have enough money left over to buy a nice handbag. So if I had a virgin face of 53, I've not used any skincare products before, and my issues are fine lines and slight hyperpigmentation, this is what I would do. First thing I do when I get up in the morning is cleanse my face, and I'm going to reach for the Mad Hippie Cream Cleanser. I have a lot of cleansers. This one here is a cream cleanser. It's in a glass bottle. I think it has a nice scent to it, but more importantly, I love how it gets my face clean, but yet it's so gentle. And I just love the whole Mad Hippie line. And while you guys do see me experimenting with other skincare and stuff, I'm still going to recommend Mad Hippie. There's still some Mad Hippie I won't be without. I love this cleanser, and this is what I would use first thing in the morning. Even though this cleanser is pH balanced and I wouldn't need a toner, I'm still going to use one in the morning. And the one that I really love, I can't show you right now because I'm out of it. Pixi Glow Tonic. I've never had a problem even using twice a day this product. The next thing I'm going to do is start with my vitamin C serum, and I do a triple shot. Okay, I use 3 different products together, and I think that they are like a miracle. I can't see me changing this. Even with other skincare, I just can't see me not going right back to this because I have visually seen the results of doing this cocktail, and that would be to purchase the Mad Hippie Nutrient Mist. It's an effervescent, it's all bubbly, and it feels bubbly on your face, but I don't take this and go directly on my face. I put a pump in here, then I go in with my Mad Hippie Vitamin C. This vitamin C has won awards all over the place. Many YouTubers who know a lot about skincare highly recommend this one. Now, when you get this, don't be alarmed. It is kind of a pale yellow, which would be where you would think you might get rid of your vitamin C, right? But this is a vitamin C derivative. It does not have L-ascorbic acid in it, so you don't have to worry. This can be stable for much longer. And I take 2 drops of that and I put it in my hand, and then I add this. This is the third thing that I would say buy. This is the powerful L-ascorbic acid, and I just shake this up. It's in this airtight, light-proof bottle, and I drop 2 drops down inside the nutrient mix, Mad Hippie Vitamin C mix, and this. Mix it together, put it all over my face, down my neck, and on the backs of my hands. The next product is the Hadalabo eye cream. Love, love, love. I use 2 different kinds of eye cream. This is the one that I use in the morning. Highly recommend it. I love Hadalabo. I was introduced to Hadalabo by Ginger of the Fritzy family, and I love Hadalabo, as you probably will be able to tell. Most of what I'm recommending is Hadalabo and Mad Hippie. So just a little tiny bit of this, and under the eyes and over the eyelids, I put this on, every single morning. The next thing I recommend is the Hadalabo Skin Plumping Gel Cream. This would be the moisturizer that you would put on. Now, when you put this on, this has a super blend of hyaluronic acid in it, and this stuff lasts forever. That's it. That does your whole face and neck. It will get sticky before that feeling goes away because of the hyaluronic acid, but this is a beautiful product, and this is the moisturizer. My recommendation for sunscreen. This is by the parent company of Hadalabo. I just did a sunscreen get ready with me makeup look using this and talked about it there. This is a little bit expensive, but it has such great properties. No alcohol, hyaluronic acid. It lays well underneath your makeup. It feels very moisturizing, and so this is what I recommend. Nighttime comes, my first thing that I'm going to recommend is something also not here. Even though I do like both the Green Clean and the Physicians Formula one, and by the way, if you like balms, get the Physicians Formula, because it performed exactly the same as the Green Clean, and it's so much cheaper. But typically, if I gotta choose between a balm and a oil, I'm gonna go for the oil. And the cleansing oil that I love so much and can't wait to buy as soon as I'm done with the balms is the Hadalabo Cleansing Oil. Love this oil. Nothing I don't like about this oil. This oil is perfect, okay? And the way that you do this is on a dry face. You want to take a pump, maybe a pump and a half of this oil, get it on your hands, rub it all over your face, on your eyes. Just let it break it down. And then get a little bit of water on your hands and then go onto the oil. It will turn a milky white and just take all of that away. Rinse it off, and then the next thing is going to be this Mad Hippie Cleanser. Yes, go right in right after that and cleanse your face with that same Mad Hippie Cleanser that you used in the morning. The next thing is this little $5 and some change bottle of the ORDINARY Niacinamide. This is a game changer. This actually visibly made my pores seemingly go away. I'm almost out, so I need to pick up another one. But I take a drop of this, put it in my hands, rub it all over, wait till it sinks in. The next thing then is either gonna be the Mad Hippie Vitamin A or the Mad Hippie Exfoliating. Now, I'm recommending that both of them be purchased. You can save yourself some money by just buying one and using it every night, but I mean, I really highly recommend both. And it's in the budget. And I continually buy both of them and I alternate. So on, say, night one, I will use this. And all it takes is one drop. So you just get it, you put one drop in your hand, run it all over your face and neck, backs of your hand. There you go. After that, you'll move on to the next step. The next night, day 2, same thing with the Mad Hippie Exfoliating Serum. Do not use these two together on the same night. They do two different things, but they both have great results. Next, you're probably going to go, oh, I know what the eye cream is. It's the Mad Hippie, right? Well, I'm gonna shock you. No, it is not the Mad Hippie eye cream. I do like that product, but I like this one better. So this is the Derma-E Firming DMAE Eye Lift. I really do think I can see a difference from using this product in my under eye wrinkles. And then the last thing is going to be to put your moisturizer on before you go to bed. And you're probably thinking it's going to be the Mad Hippie face cream, and I'm not telling you that I would never buy that again, because I do really like that one too. But I've got another horse here that's given that one a run. They're in a race, and it sure lasts longer. And that is the Derma-E. This is the Derma-E Skin Restore Advanced Peptide and Collagen Moisturizer. Make sure you get this one because they have some other ones. The smell of this is kind of funky, I'm telling you. So this one is in a jar, which is not ideal for a lot of people. I get it, okay? I would much rather it was in a pump. I don't go in with my fingers. I take this brush, I know it's extra, from Sigma. No, that's not part of the budget, so don't think I'm trying to sell you Sigma brushes. I'm just saying this is what I do. I just go in, I get a little bit of this, and I put it on my face. I wash the brush, and the next night when it goes in, it's clean. And it just takes the slightest bit for this stuff, and you put it on your face and go to bed. Okay, so if you've been keeping track along the bottom, I've been running the total there for you. That's looking pretty good, right? I think we got enough money to go shopping. So at the time that I did this, Macy's was having a sale on this Michael Kors bag, and that was $178, which left us enough money to go for an ultrasonic skin scraper. Now, if you are trophy skin, look away. Look away. I highly recommend the Trophy Skin Label, but that's $150, so we don't got that much money left over. I do like this brand's steamer, so I would say if you can pick up the handbag for $170-ish, then go for this. Me personally, I would skip the handbag and go for the better ultrasonic scraper. But some people don't get this extra with their pores, but I do. I can't say get the Label, but I highly recommend it. And what the ultrasonic scraper is going to do for you is like push with ultrasonic force. I mean, a lot of megahertz. I forget what it is off the top of my head, but it forces water into your pores. And if you are somebody who's wearing sunscreen every single day, I really suggest that you get an ultrasonic scraper. But if the ultrasonic scraper ain't your bag, then take the leftover money that was allocated to it, put it in with the handbag money, and Mama's got a brand new bag. Do you feel like you're the best part of the Fritzy family? Well, you should. I tell you all the time, so you should know it by now, right? All right, then, you guys are. You're the best part of the Fritzy family. Thanks for coming to see me today. Tell me below, have you used any of these products? What do you think? I hope that you're having a blessed day, but if you're not, go out and be a blessing to somebody else. And until next time, love you, see ya. Bye. And I'm out.
Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back. That sounded really stupid. It's like a crack in my voice. Welcome back. And your glasses are dirty too. What the heck? Do you guys want the shirt off my back? You can get it at the Fritzy Family Merchandise Store. Store. That was probably really loud and hurt somebody's ears. That's why my description books. That's what even though I do love the balms. The balm. Hey, the balm, are you listening? I love you, I really do. Even though, what are you clapping for? I'm giving myself a hand. Everybody stand up in your chairs and give me a standing ovation. Oh, you can wait till the end if you want. Wait, if you're watching this, it is the end. Stand up, give me a standing ovation. Yeah! Just do it, just force water, just take it like a fire hydrant into your pores and be like, Did I not do it? Yeah, baby. I got you in a full morning and night skincare system with enough money. I just like snapping my fingers. So, do you feel like you're the best part of the Fritzy family? Do you get enough sleep at night? Do you feel gassy and bloated after you have ate pizza? Do you get hyper when you drink Starbucks? Well, I feel like a commercial for a drug. Do you feel like I just like twirling in my chair? Like a little kid, twirling in my chair.